Isa. Say it. Isa. Come on. Isa. Bago siya ng isa. Isa. Come on. Dalawa. Look out. Isa. Patingin mo sa fingers. Come on. Isa. Isa. Kasi yung isa. 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 Lima. Lima. Say it. Lima. Lima. Anim. Anim. Come on. Anim. Di siya nakasalita, no? Ay. Cut mo na. ABC. Yellow. Green. Blue. This one. What color is this? What color is this? This one, what color is this? What color is this? Oh. Orange. Orange. This one. Yellow. Okay, let's start na. Let's open the green one. Oh, the brush. Okay. Yes. Oop. Top. Top. Color the one. What number is this? 1. Isa. Oops. 1. Up. Down. Down. Again. Look at here. The up. Oops. Down. Side. Very good. How about this one, number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, dito naman. Yes, 6. Let's color 6 with green. 6. Anim. Can you say it? Anim. 6. Anim. 6. Look at here. Anim. Circle. Down. Circle. Okay, we're done with green. Put it there. Yes, put it there. Very good. Put it there. Very Okay, very good. Oops. Sorry. Green. Put it there again. Green. Very good. Next is orange. How about orange? Let's open orange. Orange. What? Orange. Orange. Number 2. 2. Look at here. No, later. Number 2. Curve. Down. Oops. Again. Wait lang. Curve. Wait lang. Curve. Down. 2. Yes, very good. Dalawa. Can you say dalawa? Dalawa. Isa. Dalawa. Very good. Dalawa. Look at here. Dalawa. Then, look at here. Side. 2. Side. Side. Look at here, Bella. Hands on the table. Hand on the table. Hand on the table. Bella. Look at here. Curve. Look at here. Yes. Look at here. Bella. Bella, look at here. Eyes on here. Oh, go. Continue. 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 Oh, go. Oops. Yan. Oh. Down. Mm-hmm. Oh, next, number 3. Go there. Oh, go there. Go there. Oops. No more standing. No more sitting na. Let's dance, ha? Paatuhan, pahat. Yes. Confidence. Paatuhod, balikan. Paa. Tuhod, balikan, ulo. Okay. Tuhod. Pachak, 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 pachak. Stop your feet. Stop your feet. Stop your feet. Okay. Oh. Continue. Saya. Yes. Oh. Saya yan. Tuhod. Hi, Bella. Hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi, teacher. Hi, teacher. Oh, look at teacher. Hi. Oh, look at teacher. Look at teacher. Hi. Ay, whoa. Tingin si Kela. Tingin. Oh, look at here. Oh, let's start this activity. What's this? This is a 3 pattern shapes. 3 pattern shapes, and these are triangle, square, circle. Triangle for red. Red. Can you say red? Red. And then this one is square. Blue. Square. And how about this one? What's this? Circle. Circle. Circle for green. Yes, this is a green. So, let's help teacher to find all the triangles. Can we use this crayon? Can you hold this one? Can you hold this one, Bella? Hold the crayon. You don't want? Ay, di pwede. Hold the crayon. Help teacher. Yes, you need to. Move your chair. Move your chair. Move your chair. Very good. Let's help teacher. Can you point out where's the triangle? Where's the triangle? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Look for the triangle. Yes, that's a red triangle. How about from this? Where's the where's the triangle here? Yes, that's a triangle. Let's color. Very good. Nahanap niyo yung isang triangle. Next, where's the other triangle? Can you point out? Triangle. Where's the triangle? Where's the triangle, Bella? Go, color the triangle. Very good! Ayun. That's a triangle. Where's the triangle? Ayun. Okay, very good. Let's proceed with that. Okay, next. Where's the other triangle? Where's the other triangle? Where's the other triangle? Triangle. No, that's not a triangle. Where's the triangle? Where's the Okay, Bella, let's start. So, what color are these? Purple. Say purple. Purple. Can you say it? Purple. Next. How about this one? This is yellow. Look at here. This is, oh, look at your, yes, this is yellow. How about this one? It's a pink. Say it, pink. How about this one? Red. Red. So we're going to copy the pattern. Teacher will help you, okay? So hold the marker. Very good. Oh, let's proceed to first one. What's this? This is a purple. It's an X. Oh, X. Like this one. X. Okay. How about this one? Cross. Yellow. Cross. Yellow. How about the pink? The two lines downward. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here, Bella. Look at here. Two lines downward. Pink. How about this one? Red. Sideward. 1, 2. Oh, it's a pink again. Downward. Yes, downward. How about this one? Pink. Downward. You say downward. This one, how about red? Sideward. Sideward. Then purple. An X. X. How about this one? Yellow. Where's the yellow? Here, yellow. Where's the yellow? Yellow. Cross. Cross. And then purple. X. X. This one. Yellow. Look at here. Cross. It's a cross. Next. Purple. What's the purple? X. X. Red. Where's the red? Red. Sideward. Next. Pink. Downward. Red. Sideward again. Help teacher to blow this one. Blow the ball. Blow. Go, blow it. Blow. Blow. Oh, like this, oh. Oh, blow, Bella. Go. Blow. Blow, hindi. Kiss. Blow. Blow. Use your mouth. Oh, use your mouth. Look at teacher. Look at teacher's mouth. Look at teacher's mouth. Oh, look at teacher's mouth. Do it. Kiss. Blow yan. Hindi yan for ball yan, ball. Ball. Blow. 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 Okay, sige, hindi na.